When you first sign up to SchoolData, our first task is to import all your data into the site. But don't worry, if you send us a current timetable, we will use it to import as much data as we can into your setup tables. Then your only task will be to gradually add more detail to these setup tables. You can do this by using the merge function that you'll find at the top of any screen for which this is an option. For example, if we import some teacher data into the staff admin table, and then at a later date you want to import teacher houses, simply export the data, fix up the data, save it as a CSV, and then run the merge. If you want to see this in action, keep watching. Otherwise, feel free to close this video now. To get houses into this table, we first need to export the table. If this doesn't appear at the bottom of your screen, it will be in your Downloads folder. Open the file and populate the blank house field. Make sure you watch our index match video for a much quicker way to populate blank fields. Once you've finished tidying up the data, save it as a CSV and head back to your staff admin table. Click Merge from CSV. Locate your file by clicking in the grid source file name box. Click Import and then OK. You'll be presented with a message that tells you there are warnings in the input report. This basically means that you may have some cells or fields that are still blank. If you're confident that your data is correct, click OK and commit records to database. If you would prefer to have a look at this import report, you can download the import report before committing your records to the database. In this case, I'm certain that our records are fine, so I'm going to commit our records to the database. All records have imported successfully. Click the Done button and you'll notice that our houses now appear.